Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 9.
Good afternoon and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This Saturday afternoon, I received a copy of a 7-page report on TRP manipulation done by the Hansa Research Group. It is with me now. Here it is, viewers. Now, this sensational report is dated September 2020 and it is signed by the legal representative of the Hansa Research Group. Viewers, this is the report on the basis of which the Mumbai police FIR on TRPs was filed. This is the report on the basis of which the Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh did a press conference. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the report which Parambir Singh used to claim that every penny with the Republic Media Network is proceeds of crime. This is the report on the basis of which that man Parambir Singh had the temerity to call us criminals. This is the report that Parambir Singh used as he defamed the Republic Media Network across 10 news channels, gave exclusive interviews, did no other work all day, abusing the Republic Media Network. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the report on the basis of which that man Parambir said that channels like us criticize his political masters to get ratings. Now let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope the blot on the uniform Parambir is watching. This report, ladies and gentlemen, does not mention Republic, does not mention Republic TV, Republic Bharat, Republic World, or any other associate, subsidiary or affiliate company of the Republic Media Network even once. Can you believe it? On the other hand, it puts out in great detail the trickery, massive conspiracy of India Today to allegedly rig the rating system. It gives the details of the criminal breach of trust and criminal conspiracy of an ex-employee of Hansa Research in collusion with allegedly a company and channel called India Today, Parambir Singh's favorite channel. India Today to rig the ratings. It even has communications which show that these corrupt individuals, ladies and gentlemen, it has communications which show that these corrupt individuals discussed ways to tamper Bark meter homes, to mutilate the data on the basis of which ratings are collected with just one agenda, to increase the very low ratings of India Today. Now, the law must decide if the allegations against India Today are true. But not me. The whole nation today wants to know the answers to 5 questions. And all those fools discussing ratings on other channels need to listen to me. 1. Where the hell did Republic come up in all this? 2. Did Arun Puri, owner of the India Today network, not know about the existence of this report? When, as an act of possible frustration, professional frustration because his channels don't have viewership, he maliciously directed his anchors and journalists to launch a baseless, ladies and gentlemen, campaign against Republic when the allegations were all about his network. 3, if Arun Puri knew that both Hansa as well as Bark have caught his channel and his network for rigging ratings red-handed, imposed fines. What moral right did he have to conceal these facts and launch a motivated and fraudulent campaign against the Republic Media Network only and only and only because our English channel is #1 and our Hindi channel today is far more popular than the #2 channel Aaj Tak? You realize the corporate angles here, viewers. You can't compete as an organization, you try these tricks. You are no longer a popular channel, you try these tricks. Is it ethical, Mr. Puri, what you tried to do? At this stage of your career, what was the need to do this? Across the country, people are asking questions from you and Parambir. And number 4, is it possible that Parambir Singh did not know that the Hansa report on the basis of which the Mumbai police FIR was filed was only and only and only and only about India Today Arun Puri's channel, not Republic Network? And finally, viewers, now that the report is out, now that the identity of the people is known, now that the eyewitnesses are on tape, now that the BARC disciplinary panels naming India Today, punishing India Today are all out, and they all name just one channel, Parambir Singh's favorite network, Sanjay Raut and Uddhav Thackeray's favorite network, the India Today network, Riya Chakrabarti's favorite network, the India Today network. Can Parambir Singh refuse in the public domain to take action against the really guilty party, against the network that is now become, unfortunately, the focus of infamy for manipulating ratings, the India Today network? And finally, viewers, above all, I believe eventually law must prevail. And the law is fair for all. It is for the India Today network to explain, admit or defend its guilt. And I wish them luck. However grave the allegations are, I wish them luck because the allegations are grave. But can a man like Parambir, who made a cock and bull story to try and teach the Republic Media Network a lesson, be taken seriously anymore? Sit on that chair anymore? Parambir Singh, let me tell you, you've lost your face everywhere. At this stage of your career, this is what you'll be remembered for. And anyway, your days are numbered. Across the country, Parambir, your name has become a metaphor for malice, a synonym for vendetta and a simile for spiteful incompetence. You are not just bitter, you are bitter, incompetent, and you spend morning, day and night sitting in your office, calling your officers who are bored with these meetings of yours discussing Republic TV. They come out and they say, this is what we do all day. Stop it now. Learn your lesson. We will fight you in the courts of the country and the courts of public opinion. And we will win. Ladies and gentlemen, that's our only debate this Saturday evening. Something I wanted to come and tell you about. A massive expose which has come up on India Today. It's unfortunate, but that's the reality. And here are the headlines this Saturday evening on the Debate Tonight. 7-page Hansa report comes out in the public domain, clearly names India Today for massive TRP manipulation. More facts and evidence show that India Today is in the focus of allegations of a mega ratings racket. Gold standard journalists are silent as the truth emerges. The TV Today group, Aaj Tak, India Today pushed into a shell tonight. And questions of Parambir, he hid the real report, collusion becomes clear. Parambir must apologize. 6 months after Palghar, massive anger over the brutal murder of temple priest in Congress-ruled Rajasthan. And the doctor who first attended the Hathras victim makes a sensational disclosure, reveals the victim did not mention sexual assault. And now that I have given a long introduction, ladies and gentlemen, the report that India Today and Parambir wanted hidden, unfortunately, is in my hands. Tonight I have with me the 7-page Hansa report that has blown their lies to smithereens. And what is now becoming clear is that India Today is allegedly at the heart of a massive TRP manipulation scam. And why am I on air tonight, this Saturday evening with you? I'm just here on air tonight because I want to make it clear to anyone. You cannot question the credibility of the Republic Media Network and get away with it. If India Today wants to spread lies and think that they will get away with it, well, listen to me clearly, Mr. Puri. You try this, I will hit back with force, 10 times more force, because the truth is on my side. If you have the courage, Mr. Puri, which you should, then compete with me. Don't try to play tricks with me. Especially, don't be happy because Parambir is supporting you. Parambir supporting you is an insult, Mr. Puri. The last person Parambir supported so much was Riya Chakrabarti, and she's in jail. Please understand, Mr. Puri, the people you are mingling with. So anyway, here is the report that will force the TV Today group out of its hiding, and then we debate.
कंप्लेनेंट था, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, हंसा नाम की एजेंसी है जो बीआरसी के लिए काम करती है। बीआरसी ने जो अपनी एनालिटिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट की, बीआरसी ने जो अपनी एनालिटिकल रिपोर्ट सबमिट की है, उसमें जो नाम सामने आया है वो है रिपब्लिक टेलीविजन का।
The litany of falsehoods unleashed on Thursday did not last very long. It has crumbled, and how?
The FIR in 6 places mentions grave allegations against the India Today group. And there is not a single allegation against Republic. The evidence against the India Today group mounts.
The India Today TRP scam was unearthed after a complaint was filed by Hansa Research Group Private Limited, a company that fixes barometers in households to gauge the TRPs. We now have the 7-page report of Hansa Research Group Private Limited, on the basis of which the FIR was filed. The report clearly states that on June 17, 2020, main accused Vishal Bhandari visited BARC office and met Hansa operations manager and BARC vigilance team, where he informed that in November 2019, Vishal received a call from some unknown person, Mr. Vinay. Mr. Vinay asked him to approach the 5-panel homes in Mumbai and asked them to watch India Today television daily for 2 hours. Mr. Vinay once met him at the Malad railway station and gave him 1,000 rupees for distribution amongst the panel homes and gave 5,000 rupees as a commission for doing this malpractice. Vishal did the said malpractice for Vinay between November 2019 to May 2020.
There are 5 panel homes in Mumbai. The names of the panel home members, their addresses, their contact numbers, and the messages that were shared is also part of the report. The messages also talk about the money transaction, where Vishal is telling the panel members how much will be transferred and who they need to get in touch with.
The statement shows that it is India Today that seems to be at the center of a mega TRP racket. And the top bosses of TV Today group cannot run away from these questions.
Arun Puri, look at this. You ran primetime shows with fake news, malicious, insecure and rotten campaigns against the Republic Media Network. The people of India will not forgive you, Arun Puri. And neither will the truth forgive you. Because I have brought out the paper today. Tell me, Arun Puri and Parambir Singh, this is the report that you were trying to hide.
Last night, they were forced to admit that BARC pulled up India Today for TRP manipulations.
They are saying that, yes, we were caught in the rating scam. We were fined.
Absolutely.
We were caught in the malpractice, right in the heart of it.
India Today, in a statement,
Amazing.
and the statement is with me, they say, in a separate matter, BARC has fined India Today.
With more evidence emerging and the fight for truth now at the Supreme Court's doorstep, India Today and Parambir Singh will be forced out of hiding to issue a public apology to Republic Media Network. Let's debate.
Tausif Ahmed Khan, Royden Roach, Manaswi, Bejon Mishra, Rajat Sethi, Ishkaran Bhandari, Ratan Sharda, Zafar Islam and and PK Jain can begin the debate. It is amusing, of course, but it is no laughing matter, actually. Because what it tells me is that in a free country where we talk of a free press and a democracy, a police commissioner can behave like a villain in Gotham City. The police commissioner can behave like a goon. That if you question him, he will fix you. The logic is, Zafar Islam, you question me on Sushant, you question me on Palghar, wait, I will fix you. I will pull out somebody, I'll pull out a report, dekho main batata hu abhi tumhe. That's the way this man's mind operates. Sabko fix kar dunga, maar dunga, dhar dunga. What kind of person? A commissioner, the constitution, rule of law, decency in public life, discourse, matters unknown to him. And now apparently, Zafar, I was told some officers in his close ring called me and said, we don't know what to do. I said, what happened? He said, day in and day out, the only meetings he does is on Republic TV. It's become a personal obsession for this man. Question is, however, let's go to the heart of this. Why did he conceal this? Zafar, see, let's look at the bigger issue. He concealed the thing. I think he concealed this because he wanted a reason to hit at Republic TV, especially after the Sushant Singh Rajput case, the Sudhir Gupta audio tape, and Palghar. So he's seething and burning somewhere. And he thought, I'll create this opportunity, make a halla. And anyway, Republic is not popular among the channels who it has defeated. I will take their help, give 7 interviews and destroy the Republic media network. He's only made us stronger. But why did he conceal this is what my first question is. Mr. Islam.
Arnab, let me respond. Now it is out in public domain that there was a report which was hidden by none other than the police commissioner himself and the Mumbai police. But you also have to see in the past how the Congress party, it is a vendetta, clear vendetta. It is an attempt to tarnish your image, tarnish your channel's image, and it is something which Congress party whenever they were in power, they have always done. They have forced people to make false allegation against people who have stood for the truth. And this is what they have done. You have always spoken truth. You have always fought against the system purely because you represent not only your channel, but you also represent the aspiration of the people of this country who are looking to your channel for the truth. And this is what you have done. You have exposed people without any fear. You have been fearless, and that is something which has not gone down well with the Congress party and wherever they have ruled. So it is clearly the handiwork of Congress-ruled Maharashtra, where the people from first family of Congress is directly responsible, and the police commissioner has worked under their clear direction. That's why they have purposely hidden that report so they can target you at an appropriate time. But you have the entire country is with you. I must tell you, but with every channel there should be a healthy competition. We have always advocated there should be a healthy competition.
But my concern is
cannot interfere. There should.
Zafar, my concern is this, that I am a journalist, I have my contacts, and therefore I was able to get the real copy of the BARC Disciplinary Committee report, and I was also able to get my hands on the 7-page Hansa report. But imagine the damage a person like this can do by spreading lies.
Yes.
Immediately when the news happened, a lot of people called me, and they said, Arnab, do you do rating scam? I said, are you out of your mind? This is the cleanest media organization in the country. But the fact that even some of my close friends asked me the question and I had to explain. And now they are all calling me and saying, thank God you've come out with this report, this man should quit. My concern is, and I want to ask you, Mr. Jain, that when you sit on an office, you hold that office with responsibility. Just because you realized you have got something related to कुर्सी के सम्मान की बात जो होती है, आपके पास कोई टीवी को लेके रिपोर्ट आपके हाथ में आई, अच्छा वो टीवी वाले रिपोर्ट में आज तक और इंडिया टुडे का नाम है, घुमा के मरोड़ के रिपब्लिक पे कर दिया अपनी भड़ास निकालने के लिए, और नहीं सीरियस बात है, भड़ास निकालने के लिए. और अब जब and now when the real report, Hansa report, BARC report, detailed report are coming out, not saying anything. Start calling Republic TV's CEO, CFO, call them in. Last time when the interrogation happened, the police officers with folded hands said sorry to me, saying we've got a person like Parambir Singh. All police officers call me every day saying we don't know what to do with this man. But tell me one thing, Mr. Jain, is there no sense as responsibility? I mean, you got a TV report, you closed the investigation, did a press conference in 10 hours. 10 hours you closed the case. 10 घंटे में केस क्लोज, इंडिया टुडे को क्लीन चिट, क्यों? I mean, I see, listen, you people say, listen, you people, no, 1 minute. You people say, I have a problem with Parambir. I don't give a damn. Why should I? Problem is, he is obsessed with us. But tell me, why now, should we not claim damages from this man? For hurting our image, our reputation with lies? Does he not owe me an apology?
File a defamation case
No,
against him.
does he not owe me, of
remedies
the
are
people of
available.
the country, an apology?
Sir, listen to me.
No, does he not, when all channels went live with his lies, 1 minute, sir, they interview him because he holds the position of Mumbai Police Commissioner. The whole country, Ishkaran, entire country saw his lies, and maybe 50% of people believed in it. Now they all know it was lies because the original report is with me. But had it been any other person who does not have the access or contacts that I do to pull out a report like this?
Arnab, that is the...
Let me
Arnab,
come to these,
then what?
Can you asked me just now.
Okay, let Mr. Jain reply.
As far as the Palghar case is concerned, TP Mumbai has nothing to do with it because Palghar is a totally different jurisdiction, and the officer there, the SP Palghar, does not report to the commissioner.
I'm sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. 1 second, please. Please understand one thing. Post Palghar, cases filed against me. NM Joshi Police Station takes cognizance. Fake case built on Bandra Mosque against me. Again within Mumbai, both cases rejected by the courts of this country. I went to High Court, Supreme Court and fought, and I won. What I want to tell you today, sir, you please, I'm asking on behalf, you told India's #1 channel that they are liars. You called us rioters. The charges against me, Ishkaran, was of creating rioting, enemy among communities, Hindu-Muslim rivalry. You know, small portals who launder the news report articles on it, they did not apologize when the truth came out. They tried to write to my advertisers at that point of time, did not apologize. So tell me, how can you do this damage and get away when the truth comes out? I really want an answer today. I want an answer. Somebody give me.
The CP is aware when he took the press conference and subsequently when an explanation was given by Joint CP Crime, that though the FIR mentions the name of India Today, they have got evidence on hand which says that Republic did it. I have no, as I said...
No, 1 minute, just one minute. Just hold on a minute. It is very easy for a joint commissioner to try and misuse the office to say I have evidence that Republic did it. Wait a minute, sir. This was said when? Day before yesterday night. To an ashen-faced anchor, who in lighter vein I said, that anchor looks so lost. I won't take his name. He said that Sushant is a nobody. We all know who we are talking about. मैंने उनको कहा, उनका चेहरे को देख के मैंने कहा कि शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा की डायलॉग थी काला पत्थर में कि तुम्हें लग रहा है तुम शमशान घाट के मुरझाए हुए फूल हो. That you are looking like the wilted flower in a crematorium. The person's face was like that day. I am saying evidence. Here's the evidence, sir. I tell you. Vishal, message. Paisa kahan hai? Paisa de raha hu. India Today. This evidence is here, sir. What are you saying evidence is not there? How are you giving? No. Just because your position on SSR and Riya Chakrabarti matches, how do you say there is no? Now you will say, next you will say, I am a police officer. I refuse to look at that evidence. Evidence which is before your eyes. Evidence, sorry, Ishkaran. Evidence which is right before you. Evidence which is screaming at you. You will say, I will not look at it. You'll manufacture some goddamn evidence. Because you have a malicious agenda against the Republic Media Network. Why should we believe you? Ishkaran.
Arnab, please allow Arnab.
Ishkaran is on the debate now. Let's debate.
Thank you. Mr. Arnab, 2 points here. Firstly, it is very good that you said this, that no matter how much pressure you are under, you are able to realize what a common man faces. Because you with the entire state against you, still have the resources to get the original complaint? What would go to a common man who doesn't have the resources to get the original complaint?
Yes.
So I thank you for raising the plight of a common man.
Yes, yes.
Second point, Arnab, here. What a tangled web we weave when we first practice to deceive. अपने ही जाल में फंस गए हैं ये. I have a question. Did they file a closure report on India Today? That would be challenged in court of law. So FIR is pending. They don't file a closure report. But in the press conference, they don't name India Today.
Shocking.
So that shows that investigation was pending on the FIR. They did not file a closure report. So what was the motive to hide the name of India Today? That needs to be answered. And third point here, Arnab, I know how these campaigns are run. I have to tell you a personal thing. When Mumbai Police did this press conference, and even before your explanation came out, I tweeted, I stand with Arnab. Why? Because the Prime Minister does not win the election because the EVMs are corrupted. You don't become number one because the ratings are corrupted. It is only those jo naach na jane, aangan teda. When you can't accept your defeat, you find a reason to pull down somebody who's won on merit. If big industrial corporations, big industrial media houses, if you could buy the ratings and buy the advertisement, they had more resources when you started. You would have never risen. The people of this country give chance to a person with merit.
Yes.
You rose to the top on merit.
Yes, good
and
point.
That is the problem.
Good point. And let me take it one step further.
They had way
Let me take it if they think money wins. I tell you, Ratan Sharda, I'll say it openly today. I will tell you one thing. India's richest man owns TV channels. Are they number one? Money does not bring you viewership. Second point, why was this conceived? And I for one want to say, somebody asked me, is it collusion? I said it is not. Collusion is a polite word. This is finding commonality of interest, Ratan Sharda, which is slightly more a complex subject. Let me explain this to you. The idea is, let us throw a stone and then find partners who can make the ripples turn into waves, and let the waves then tarnish the reputation of Republic, target the advertisers of Republic, the sponsors of the channel, and make the viewers disbelieve the channel. Then let us say, we will take away your money, proceeds of crime, let's threaten you. But they don't know one thing, Ratan Sharda, we are fighters, we are born to be fighters. We are from simple middle class families, we are not used to the riches that other people are used to. Hence, we are not afraid of losing anything. And because we are not afraid of losing everything, we are built to fight more. It is in our DNA. And that's what they did not. What they thought was, Ratan Sharda, they will throw these allegations and we will be all frightened. We never compromise. We never do deals. Ratan Sharda, main point is this: documents out. Documents out. I feel this was commonality of interest of interested parties. What do you think? Ratan Sharda first.
Arnab, I have seen you struggle from when you came out of your earlier channel to make this channel rise. I've seen the struggle, I've seen your passion. There is no doubt. Interestingly, the richest man came on your program 2 years back and said, I watch Republic TV.
Yes.
He did not try to bribe others to make himself number one.
I was very happy for that.
Point
yes.
one. Secondly, you have twofold enemies. Yeah, you have twofold enemies. One is the lieutenants against whom you are an outsider. So you are to lieutenants, India Today is to lieutenants what Congress is to lieutenants. So India Today is the Congress of Lieutenant Club, and they cannot see any outsider barging into their space. That is one enemy. Second enemy is Karambir is representing a failed government which has not shown any results. Forget about Palghar, forget about the crime of SSR, where the police has failed miserably. But even for a serious issue like COVID, where Maharashtra went on becoming number one, and we were allowed to even speak about it with a fear of arrest. Thirdly, so this fight is on two sides. And thirdly, which I keep on repeating, is that Commissioner of the Police, either he is totally dumb or stupid that he does not read the FIR, or he should claim that if evidence is there, just a moment, I am making a point. See, don't, let me complete my point. I am saying either Hansa FIR is duplicate, No, let them say Republic has a duplicate FIR. Secondly, if he was playing a politician, he should join politics. Yeah, you don't allow some.
How is it not spoken?
Arnab, this is not fair. I'm making a sensible point. Who is this
why
fellow
don't you let
shouting
him
at me?
complete and then I'll come in.
I am saying
Royden, why don't you let
either
him
he should
complete?
become a politician.
Royden, let him complete. I'll give you equal time. I promise you. I promise you.
Either like Mr.
I
Jain
said I'll give you
says-
equal time. I
See,
take my assurance.
If Mr. Jain says that FIR, if Mr. Jain says that FIR had evidence of Republic TV, then either you have a wrong FIR copy or they have a wrong FIR copy. In that case, the police inefficient, or if they have deliberately done it, then they need to join politics. They need to be the police. In both the cases, they have to see what they are doing.
I'm telling you,
This is the point. And remember, India today is old. India today is an old wave. They have paid 5 lakh
Today we are
rupees
seeing the struggle, we are seeing the issues
for
happening.
TRP
It's
management.
only because
5 lakh
it is
rupees.
one-sided.
No,
Every
no, no.
channel,
This
media has to understand.
Okay, Royden, 1 minute. Royden, I now want to come. Royden, I want to come to a very important issue now, which is a separate issue. We need to give some time to it. Yeah, we need to give some time to it.
They paid 2 lakh rupees for fake
See, sir, I always believe that.
Apologize to the press council for fake news. Today they paid a fake news of RSI chief's tweet. So these
I tell you one thing. You see, these are people. These are people.
Be patient. This is a
Yeah.
talk about freedom of press.
No, Ratanji, a minute. Ratanji, may I just intervene with a small point? People, no, one second. People told me, lot of people told me, why don't you file criminal defamation against Arun Puri, Rajat Sharma for what they have been saying about you? Now, I've said as of now, while I'll examine my options, these are people from an elder generation. These are people 30 years, 25 years, 30 years older than me. Right? I feel sorry that at this stage of their career, they should have to resort to this to take me on. But so I don't want to comment on Rajat Sharma or Arun Puri. If Rajat Sharma and Arun Puri even now can compete with me on content, I'll be happy. They have more resources. I'm a new channel. They have more archives, they have more tapes, they have more treasuries, they have a bigger bank balance. Compete with me. But then what Rajat Sharma and Arun Puri should introspect about today, and all of them, NDTV, everyone who keeps complaining about me, that it is going to take them nowhere to discuss Republic. Republic is now a phenomenon. You can't do anything about it. Question is about the due process of law. And on that, Bajonda, I want to say this. Due process of law we must talk about. I don't like you, I am commissioner, I will fix you is an approach that is out of a 70s villain script.
Absolutely.
I said it sounds like the jailer in Sholay जिसने कहा कि हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने के जेलर है. उसका नाम भी शायद जेलर था. The role was done by Asrani.
Asrani, yes.
Asrani, yeah. So, but that Asrani approach does not work. कि हम अंग्रेजों के जमाने के जेलर हैं. Question is there due process of law? Bajonda, you give a clean sheet in 12 hours. After filing an FIR, the process is you file an FIR, record statements of all witnesses, investigate the case, preliminary report, final report, etc. How did you close the investigation on India Today in 12 hours? Secondly, before the investigation starts, the commissioner of the city holds a big press conference, calls the media, prejudges the case, gives 10 interviews, vilifies other people without any facts. You try to muzzle a media house because we are asking for accountability from the established in Maharashtra.
Correct.
So what you're doing is you're subverting basic principles of natural justice.
Absolutely.
You're disregarding the due process of law by holding a press conference against Republic TV in absolute violation of the basic principles of natural justice. Yes, Bajonda.
So, Arnab, you must understand that every law is based on certain code of conduct, and there is a protocol, there is a SOP which has to be followed so that the law is not unbiased and unbiasedly used and used for vested interest. The law has to be neutral. The law has to ensure that there is no biasness. And that is why a code of conduct, a guideline is being framed and formed, which the police is supposed to follow. It's in their books. Has he followed those rules? Has he followed those guidelines?
No, he hasn't.
He has not. So he has to be taken.
He has not, and let me give you one example of it, Bejonda, to you. Bejonda, let me give you one example. You ask a very good question. Has he followed the guidelines? Is it due process to say, and on this seriously, Parambir, you need to introspect. If you want a lesson in the law, I will meet you and I will explain to you. 15-minute lesson on ethics and due process of law. The complainant has presented evidence. Listen to me, Manasvi. The complainant has presented evidence. You are saying no evidence. There is documented digital evidence as per the complaint of Hansa Research to say there are messages from the accused Vishal to Ganesh, who is tied up to India Today, referred to in the messages. The due process is to investigate that, not to say no allegation, not substantiated. You are not a dictator. You cannot say not substantiated because you think India Today's line on Sushant meets yours. Then you are behaving like a dictator. Tanasha. Manasvi, please.
Arnab ji, give me 1 minute uninterrupted. The only complaint if I would have against you would be, which I can complain in bar if allowed, that you don't give us proper time. That is it. Now coming to the moot question would be that you are an inspiration, not for me, not as a viewer, as a panelist, but for the entire nation and entire new generation of this country. Because the kind of media you have created in the last 3 years, you have been trending from 6th May 2017 till date as number one, and people look up to you. And further, what I want to say is, people may hate you, people may love you, but they cannot ignore you. As of now, while I am speaking, I don't know the TRP rating style, how these come up or don't come up. But YouTube pe agar aap dekhoge, 14,000 plus viewers are of Republic, and no other channel is 1,000 plus viewers as of now at 9 p.m. So the TRP would be different. We would not know the mathematics of TRP, but YouTube easily it is we as viewers can see right now. So the point here is Satyamev Jayate, Arnab ji. Satya is with you. The only thing I would want to say as a lawyer, as a friend, as a panelist would be that let this probe happen, facilitate this probe and come out as a phoenix.
I will.
And show that you can be ethical.
No, but I can't accept malice.
With ethics.
No. Arnab, I have a different point. Let me speak on this. I have a different point.
You have the right. You have the right for criminal defamation, civil defamation.
No. Arnab, this probe. No, I would say something else. A probe should be done, which is done in bona fide. A probe in which somebody else is made accused, but is used to do hunting of particular agenda. That is malicious prosecution. And the malicious prosecution, I hope the Supreme Court will shut it down, like they protected you last time. So no, I do not agree with that. On the second point, I agree fully. On the second point, I agree fully that YouTube data doesn't lie.
To come out anyway. See, the truth is going to come out anyway.
Let me finish a point. On the second point, I agree fully. YouTube data doesn't lie. I started a YouTube channel on April, and I know it doesn't lie. Right now, yesterday, 29,000 people were watching you live.
Yes, I know that. But that's a blessing. No, that's a blessing. That's a blessing. But if Parambir, whoever he is, wants to come after my 24 years as a journalist, 1 minute. If he wants to come, Zafar can debate with Tausif. After 24 years as a journalist, Parambir wants to come and say that people follow my news because I pay one person in Kandivali 400 rupees. He has something else going on in his mind. I just want to say one thing, Zafar. This Dr. Dang meets Godzilla approach to policing. Rajat. The approach, let me take Rajat, and he's not spoken. It's a Dr. Dang meets Godzilla approach to policing. It's a Chulbul Pandey gone mad version of policing. The point is that this is not policing. Rajat, this is bullying at another level. Problem is we can bully you back. But how many people? Imagine the injustice this man could have done through his career. I heard allegations against him during 26/11. I have heard allegations about a drug party, other cases, the Provoke case. I don't know if they are true. I'm nobody to pass judgment. I will not. But there are severe allegations against him. But I'm not even talking about the allegations. What I'm saying is, imagine if this is the approach in this case, what potentially the person has done in the past or the person may do in the future. Rajat, this is a different, this targeting will not work. Rajat Sethi. Rajat.
Arnab, I've always seen this battle as a David-Goliath battle. The issue is, sir, is your name Rajat?
Let Rajat go first, Tausif, after that you come. Tausif after Rajat.
Tausif, is your name Rajat? Come on, man.
I'll give you equal
time. Give me
time.
some space there. See, understand, Arnab, that this was a David versus Goliath battle gone horribly, horribly wrong. The kind of faux pas that the Mumbai CP committed live on television, he would be regretting it right now. He had no clue that his people would have mentioned India Today and would have gone ahead with the merit of the case and filed the FIR. He just thought that he could have manipulated his way through to see you being harassed, being bullied. But since God is there and the viewers of this nation are with you, clearly the truth is coming out. And you know, you need to understand that what are you fighting against? You're fighting against a syndicate which have very malicious intentions. Also keep it in mind that the Angan is also Seedha and they also know how to dance. Just that there is a huge conspiracy which is going around. You know, you have really started hitting them where it is really hurting them the most. And, you know, look at how the entire thing, I still remember those scenes when India Today cameramen and the reporters were hounding you on the street when you were driving the vehicle.
Yeah.
And suddenly you see all the Lutyens people who are there active on Twitter started picking up this, making it national trend, etc. So there was this entire orchestrated vultures who came out the moment they saw that this is an opportunity. But none of them is speaking about TRP. None of them is speaking about the scam. The moment that one of theirs has been accused in the FIR. And my point is that you should drag them ruthlessly to the hilt. Try and see that justice is seen in this case, and this will serve as a very big booster for common man also on the ground.
Yeah.
People like Parambir, who is known and for the Sadhvi Pragya torture that he has meted out. He has a lot of cases against him in which his judgment, his property, his public property can be put in question.
Arnab, yes. I think we need to break this down into two questions. Yes. First, can TRP be manipulated? Because until the disclosure was made by Mumbai police, I don't think I would have ever imagined that TRP could be actually manipulated. And secondly, even after hearing what you have said, that you have a report which actually shows the other channel, but it does not say that TRP cannot be manipulated. So I think this is going to be very hard for your
what kind of logic is that?
Or for anybody
what kind of logic is
that TRP can be actually manipulated. Now the question
Tausif, I'm not making sense. Ishkaran coming in quickly, Ishkaran. Come to the moot issue. No, that's not the issue. That's not the issue. One minute. Zafar wants to come in. Zafar first. Ishkaran, wait, let Zafar come in. We have 10 minutes. Yeah. Zafar.
Nothing has been proved.
Okay, Tausif, I got your point. Zafar wants to quickly rebut.
I think.
Tausif, he understood your point, but Tausif understood your point, but Zafar wants to respond.
Tausif, my suggestion to you. Tausif, my suggestion to you that you must go through this Hansa report. It does talk about that it can be done, the question you have posed. Secondly, they have also named the channel which is doing this practices. So I think unnecessarily you are speculating, but it is something which is known to everyone that there is a vendetta attempt here, and I think you should compliment Mr. Arnab Goswami that he is speaking the truth, he stood for the truth, and if he has to take mighty people, he is fearlessly doing that.
Yes,
and something he is doing, and that's why he's been put to this risk, and all the allegation made against him is baseless and cannot be substantiated. So there is a vendetta attempt by the Congress Party, and they have done historically, they have done many times. Even today, they are doing it.
Please think for once.
The question is, can TRPs be manipulated? One second. That's a bigger debate. I will do it one day. The question right now is, who manipulated? And if Parambir knew who manipulated, that's the debate. Draw it in 1 minute. Mr. Jain can come into this debate along with Ratan Sharda. Ratan Sharda and Ishkaran on one side. Bejonda is saying something. Yes, Bejonda?
No, I only want to say that now BRAC's credibility is at stake. They also have to come in and they also have to ensure that
they should issue a statement. I believe
they must issue a statement.
I believe that I think it is very necessary. I think it's very necessary. Very necessary for BARC to come out and issue a statement saying that there was nothing about Republic TV in the Hansa report. There was nothing about Republic TV in a disciplinary committee. It was about India Today because it's unfair. Because it's unfair.
Build credibility.
Unfair. You cannot let our reputation be besmirched and not come out with a statement. They must, but I leave that to them. I leave that to them. Truth will come out.
Unfortunately, TRP is never that is not there. We always had this unfair TRP. And now since the little box.
No, I come back to now, Mr. Jain. Mr. Jain, I'll tell you one thing. I personally, people said, I personally believe that the preachers need to introspect. No, 1 minute. Give me a second. The preachers need to introspect.
Correct.
No, all these people, Arun Puri and all the channels who were talking about this, talking about us, must introspect. Did Arun Puri not know that they were named in the complaint and FIR that they were spreading ratings were being fixed for propaganda? Did you not know? And here is a bigger question to Mr. Puri. Mr. Puri, you knew. No, 1 second. I'm speaking to Mr. Puri. Mr. Puri, you knew. It is impossible that in your company you don't know about these matters. If you knew the truth, did you want to shoot off Parambir Singh's shoulder? Because Parambir does not like Republic, right? So enemy is my friend. So Parambir becomes your friend because he becomes a useful shoulder to shoot at Republic because you cannot compete with Republic professionally. That in a way, if it is true, Mr. Puri, it is an admission of failure and defeat on your part. So, and don't think we will not hit back. The fact is, tell the people of India, Mr. Arun Puri, that you knew. And admit, because it will put a balm over the grievous hurt that you have done to your own professional reputation today. You knew about the BARC report. You knew about the disciplinary committee. You knew about the Hansa report. You knew about the truth about the FIR. You spread lies. And then you thought it's a post-truth world where you repeat a lie many times and it becomes the truth. But in a post-truth world, Arun Puri, some like us are going to fight you back. So Mr. Jain, what should be done about Parambir Singh now? Should he quit on his own or?
Arnab, can I ask
No, PK Jain, please.
Parambir Singh has very categorically stated that we have now launched an FIR. These are the facts which have.
Achha, now we launch a new FIR, new facts.
No. Same FIR which they have registered.
The same FIR, he'll change it. He'll change the India Today FIR to a Republic FIR. People will not ask questions. What drama is this?
I have no idea. But he said that
I mean, it's outrageous. It's madness. No, how will he justify?
See, you have got
simple question.
You got reports on your side. So let them conduct an investigation.
Why? Zabardasti.
I have a question.
Manmani. Karenge investigation. Manmani.
Either way, whether it is false or true or charge sheet has to be sent or.
Tang karenge, bulayenge. And I'll tell you one more thing. I'll tell you one more thing, Ishkaran. You'll be shocked, Zafar, at what they have done. Today, they called the heads of 3 major advertising media buying houses. This is a pure attempt at media intimidation. Nothing like this has happened since the emergency.
Arnab,
you know this.
Arnab, simple.
And our advertisers are standing by us. Mr. Arun Puri, I'll tell you one more thing. I have some good news for you, Mr. Puri. Let me share the good news with you, Mr. Puri. Our advertisers are standing with us even stronger now because they've realized this game. So there's the good news. Please share it with your family, your daughter, your management and your ranting anchors. That Republic's advertisers are standing even stronger with them because the lies are now exposed. Ishkaran.
Arnab, I have a question. when a complaint names India Today, when Hansa report names India Today, when BARC has fined India Today. These are three simple questions. When the FIR named India Today, when BARC had fined India Today, when Hansa report had named India Today, why was the Mumbai police silent on the name of India Today in the press?
Ratan Sharda of the debate was 1 minute. Ratan Sharda.
Why was he silent?
I wanted to make a simple point. Whether you knew or not, tomorrow something happens in Republic TV. Who will be responsible? Mr. Arnab Goswami. When a reporter is kept arrested, who is responsible? Mr. Arnab Goswami. So when something goes wrong in India today, who is finally responsible?
And I'll tell you one more thing. Ratan Sharda. Ratan Sharda, I want to say one more thing. To the Lutyens media, let me tell you, look at you and look at us. No, one thing. To the Lutyens media, I'll tell you, look at you and look at us. Here we are alone. Who are we fighting? My reporter arrested, kept in custody for 2 weeks because he came close to the Chief Minister's farmhouse. One. Pradeep Bhandari, they want to arrest him. They say that he is responsible for trying to create riots outside Kangana's house. Yes. Right? My CFO summoned. Our Chief Operating Officer summoned. Our head of our Hindi channel, our Chief Operating Officer summoned. Our Group CFO summoned. Our Group CEO summoned. I have been questioned for 25 hours. Our Group CFO questioned for 17 hours. And now they have started calling advertising agencies. Now the problem is that now the hit back will happen. Everybody is standing with us. I want to say, Zafar, to all of you, my detractors, a big thank you. Big thank you to you.
Arnab, but see what happens, fake news travels faster than the truth. So you have to fight doubly much to keep your reputation intact. That is the cost that you have
That's
to pay.
all we have, and we'll fight for it.
They have made a swipe and they have run away, but you will have to contain the damage.
Yep, I know, but we'll continue to investigate. Well, I thank you all. I thank you all for your support, and that's why I came this Saturday, viewers. Our focus is the news. But if someone thinks that we are among those people who will take it lying down, we won't. We'll give it back only when required. Viewers, big stories coming up once again. Events in Rajasthan, the maximum crew on the ground only on the Republic Media Network. Track every minute of the breaking story here. I'll see you soon. Good night for tonight and goodbye.